This is the motor that came in with a no start issue, and it had multiple different things wrong with it. Someone else has been working on it. So the first thing was this was not right. The linkage up here was not right. He had no fast idle. Go ahead and move his fast idle. Before that, wouldn't even go ahead and move it back a couple times. So his fast idle's working now. And then secondly, it wasn't getting any fire. He had 3 Amazon coils on it. Amazon, we call these no names. Oh, and a fuel line also. If you look at the fuel line, you can see how it's collapsed inside of there. So we replaced the fuel line, the coils, got his linkage right. Oh, forgot about that. Keyway was sheared, and that's probably because the coils were bad. But so we popped the flywheel, put another keyway in it, and then it started firing on one cylinder. Go ahead.